So I gotta keep a certain weight.
Mm-hmm.
But if I go under, I've been under, like in 2005, around, and I was at my happiest until my father passed away.
Mm-hmm.
And, but during the time, I mean, I was eating, everybody wasn't believing I was eating and everything.
Mm-hmm.
I was eating and everything. Shit, I was like caramel macchiatos. Every day that I was going to the hospital, I had a grande, no, grande is the biggest.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Grande caramel macchiato. Extra free whipped cream and a cherry on top.
Mm-hmm.
And, but I had gotten down to like a size 6. At 5'4". So yes, I was skinny.
Wow. Okay.
I was like back to I was like 135, 140.
Mm-hmm.
But the chest, my chest area started, drooping. And I was just like, okay, the stress in it. And I was the gravity of it. And I was just like, okay, that's not a good look.
Mm-hmm.
So, experiencing going all the way back down to that, I was just like, okay, 150 is,
Ooh, smoky. Ooh.
even though they would still consider me,
Smoky like one rip.
especially at 150,
Mm-hmm.
at least I know that I can still keep everything looking fit and more of an illusion, but it's not as painful in the back.
Right.
But also, I already know BMI is the terminology, so they would still consider me fat or obese. I'm still in that obesity level. 140 is my maximum in the BMI, but that's too skinny for me.
I could deal with 140. I think someone that's maybe 120 is borderline for me. I'm like, that's... Now, I've seen some people who have like 115, 120, slim everything else, but have a nice booty, you know what I mean? Or have nice breasts. I'm like, damn, so is maybe your breast and your butt 50 pounds of the body? You know, like the body is so super skinny, but they do have hips and they do have, you know, so there are exceptions, but they're hard to find. You know how like somebody says you're slim thick? Like on Instagram, yeah, it's like you're super tiny, but you're thick. You got the right place.
But that's where I was. I
Mm-hmm.
mean,
So, yeah,
my bodybuilding weight was 120. My class was 120. If I was to compete now, I would be in the heavyweight because I'm not going back down to 120.
Right, I got you. Yeah.
If I was to go back to competing. But now, my goal and revamping my workout regimen was working on focusing on chest, abs, and legs. When I say legs, of course, what's going to benefit from the legs is going to be thick thighs, hamstring popping, booty high, and calf muscles tight and fit. Because I just love leg work routines anyhow. It's just that the older I get, and even though I'm limber, extremely limber, it still hurts at times, you know, because of the weather and the arthritis and stuff like that. So
right, I understand.
It's just manipulating. That's the reason why I'm calling on more, you know, for my Fridays would be overall body. So I'll rest on So I'll work out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
Rest on Thursday. Overall body on Friday. Rest on Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
And go back to training on Sunday, even though I didn't train today.
It's okay. We all need a break. You gotta enjoy your days off. Even though we're doing a pandemic, but you still gotta enjoy your days.
Because I was going to go out running, but I was just too tired.
Right, and you're going through, Christy, do you realize, I know people, when they say, oh, I'm going through this, X, Y, and Z, to them it may look like it's normal or like, hey, because you can multitask. But what you're actually going through with Sophia, husband, you know, work or pandemic / whatever else you're going through, the young boy, it's a lot for even just one person to handle. And you make it look easy, but I know deep down inside it's taking a toll on anybody's body. So yeah, you do need your me times. You do. I don't really think people realize how important it is to actually shop for themselves. Do what you need to do. You are somebody that takes care of so many people. You know what? Take a piece of paper one day and write down how many people do you know and care about. I'm talking about really, really care about, that you have loaned money to, that you have spiritually enabled somebody to notice they have faith again. Like,
Am I really getting it?
There we go. Hi. Alright, there we go. Alrighty. Alright, there we go. It's a massage. Massage. You want all the attention, don't you? Yes, you do. I'm giving both of y'all attention, okay? Jesus. You want all the attention, don't you? Alright. Oh. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna see you next time, okay? Hugs. Can I get a hug? No hug. Ah. You just want to be petted. Oh, okay, give me a hug. Alright. Bring it in. Okay, high five. Okay. Smokey, you gotta stop letting them rip. How they smoke. Ooh. Alright. Alright. Help me up. Thank you so much. Christy, you're the best.